Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing the Kawasaki Ninja 600R 1989 edition, which is a 1/18 scale classic Diecast Superbike manufactured by Motomax. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a standard window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Motomax. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, what we're looking at today is a 1/18 scale diecast model of the Kawasaki Ninja 600R 1989 edition manufactured by Motomax, which is a company I recently came across that manufactures quite a few amazing diecast motorcycles. And at first glance, this diecast motorcycle looks quite good and has an amazing build quality and also quite a bit of intricate detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it pretty good looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint tabs with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension, and a lot more details, which makes it a good collectible, which is functional as well. I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle collection, and with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And although not a premium diecast motorcycle, this one's pretty good. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And also kindly find further features and specifications regarding this diecast motorcycle in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Kawasaki Aircraft initially manufactured motorcycles under the Meguro name, having bought an ailing motorcycle manufacturer, Meguro Manufacturing, with whom they have been in partnership. This eventually became Kawasaki Motorcycles. Some early motorcycles display an emblem of the Kawasaki Aircraft on the fuel tank. During 1962, Kawasaki engineers were developing a 4-stroke engine for small cars. Then some of the engineers transferred to Meguro factory to work on the Meguro K1 and the SG, a single-cylinder 250cc OHV. In 1963, Kawasaki and Meguro merged to form Kawasaki Motorcycles Company Limited. Kawasaki Motorcycles from 1962 through 1967 used an emblem which can be described as a flag within a wing. Kawasaki's engine division housed a single office complex in Grand Rapids, Michigan, consolidates research and development projects for engines. And for more information on Kawasaki motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for some unique and fun diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.